Hello, and welcome to my dream wedding survey. I would first like to start off with a quote. "The highest happiness on earth is the happiness of marriage," by William Lionel Phelps. We're all aware of the happiness of marriage, but we never focus on what makes this event so stressful. Let's take a look at the studies on basic marriage facts. According to studies from different wedding and popular magazines, here are facts about weddings. 1 in 3 say black plays a dominant role in their wedding colors. 3 in 10 envision a non-traditional wedding. 47% of brides prefer a church wedding. And 2 in 5 enjoyed their wedding day. My bigger focus in most of these results was why. Is black really the most popular at weddings? Do people really prefer church weddings over other venues? Does everyone want a non-traditional wedding? And why are people so miserable at one of the most happiest days of their life? In my survey, I focused on how people really felt about their weddings and what they actually wanted. I provided 2 separate graphs of each result from the surveys that I looked at and from my survey. On my left is a graph from Minted Weddings, where they did a color survey based on black, other, blue, purple, pink, and white. You could see here that theirs is 19%, while in my survey, only 13% of people actually picked black. The highest percentage was white, and the second highest being blue. Moving on to my next graph, the venue graph, my survey, and the Budget Savvy Bride survey were combined. As you can see from their blue bar, church weddings were the highest percentage. But from my survey, the purple bar, outdoor weddings were more preferred, then other, and then church weddings. Moving on to my next graph would be non-traditional versus traditional weddings. The graph to my left is from Minted Weddings as well. 30% wanted traditional and 70% wanted non-traditional. And on my graph, very similar, but not completely the same, 69% wanted non-traditional and 31% wanted traditional. So what did I conclude from assessing these surveys? In conclusion, the decisions of weddings are, of course, based on the situation and based on the person. They're all going to have different answers. I feel as though the only one that they came close to being correct about was the non-traditional versus traditional. But everything else is, of course, a personal choice.